Hey, what's going on, dudes? Pan with the here, and I am joined with Pan. And today we are going to be doing about a Nerf guns. So me and Pan have been We have selected 3 guns each. This is my side. I've chosen the Disruptor, the Recon Meet MK2, and the Hyperfile Elite. And she has chosen the Disruptor, the Rough Cut 2x4, and the Reality Later. So you're probably wondering, where do you get the clips? Well, these. Well, we got them with the Hyperfire. So we only got 2 of them, so we used them for this one and this one. We have both chosen it, and we are going to hit something. Let me show you. So we're gonna chuck something up that will here. So we're gonna chuck this thing up to the ceiling, and then we have to shoot it down. The first one to shoot it down wins. And yeah, we're gonna be doing 3 rounds. Let's do this. Okay. Oh damn it! I don't have a good view. I guess like right there. So lower it. Okay, so then I think you're going to be able to see us throw it up. It's going to hit the ceiling right about there. And we're going to choose our first gun of choice. So, our first gun of choice is the Disruptor. Excuse you. So, yeah, we rock, paper, scissors, shoot about who gets the scope. And I lost. So, she got the scope. This is going to be rough. But, I think I'm going to be able to pay it off. Get your first gun of choice. That's your first gun of choice. The Disruptor. Just get the Disruptor. The Disruptor. The Disruptor. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1. Shoot it! Ow! That like skinned my head. No, shoot! And I should have gone over the rules.
Yay!
She won. Are you kidding me? All right. So I'm gonna get a sheet of paper that will write down the scores. As you can see, here's the piece of paper, and I am going to make the columns of when I'm gonna lose or not. I think that's gonna be true. Alright, so then let's get a pen. Then let's write Panther, and then Pan. Okay, so we get each 3 rows, and I use the Disruptor. And Pan also used the Disruptor. And who cares about my spelling? I lost. And Pan got a win. So it's 1-0 on her. Okay. This is the score right now. For the next round, get the guns. The 2 guns. The 2 other guns that we will be using. I will be using the Recon MK2. So the Recon MK2. And Pan will be using, let's quickly go check what she has. I don't know yet. Okay. She has the rough cut 2x4. All right, let's see who loses. Which is probably gonna be me. Okay, she wins this round. All over for me. That means she won. But then, if I win the round, we're going on to a playoff with our best guns. Oh, you have to see us. All right, where's the thing? Wait, hold this pan. Okay, I'm getting a camera stand now. You guys can just see us better. Okay.
You guys can't see me.
Because you're too short.
Okay.
Okay, throwing it up. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot your butt! Oh, that thing's scary. I win! Yeah! Boom! Looks like we're going over to the playoff because Panther win and Bad loss. So it's now a 1-1 score.
Panther, you can laugh at me.
Last round, Hyperfire
Ryan, you know your gun's out of aim and you have to kill
versus, let's check.